Another place where I see this is in art. So if you're selling work, I find a lot of times when you sell a piece of art, that the client just assumes a lot of stuff is included in that. That is not generally right. Any artist out there knows that even though an individual piece of art might have a high price tag, when you actually factor in what went into that art and how much it costs to make, you're not really making very much money, right? And so it's very important to communicate with the client. Sales tax is not included in this. Shipping is not included in this. So if sales tax and shipping are additional charges, it's really important. And I know that it can feel scary as an artist because you feel like a sale might not go through. But I do find that a lot of artists end up eating costs a lot of the time when I think really it would be better. They would be better served to be like, yes, thank you for buying this art. I really appreciate it. I hope you are so happy with it. Of course, the state mandates me to collect sales tax on that, so that I'm going to charge you sales tax the way that the state of Massachusetts requires, and the shipping fee is this. Or if you want to come pick it up and save yourself the shipping fee, that is fine as well, right? You can give options, and then that helps them pick the thing they value. Does this person value, they would rather save the money on shipping? They'd rather come to your studio and get the piece, save the fee, get the piece themselves, or do they value their time more and they'd rather just pay for shipping? That's all fine. As long as you lay it out, I think there's no good and there's no bad. It's all about just making sure that the person on the other end of what you're delivering understands exactly what it is you're going to deliver and what is out of scope.